Hi, I'm Gabe. Congratulations on embarking on your journey to a picture-perfect smile. With your new braces comes the important responsibility of proper care. Let's dive into how to keep those braces clean and ensure your teeth remain in top shape. First on the list, brushing. It's all about the angles and technique. Notice the gentle strokes both above and below the brackets, ensuring the bristles reach and brush the gum line area. This is crucial to prevent red swollen gums from plaque and food particles. Flossing can be a bit tricky with braces, but with the right tools, it's a breeze. A floss starter allows you to loop the floss under the wire, cleaning between the teeth effectively. In situations where you can't brush immediately, like at school or out to eat, a proxy brush is a fantastic tool. It effectively cleans under the wire and around the brackets, removing food and plaque. Disclosing tablets are a fantastic way to see any spots you might be missing while brushing. These tablets work by staining the plaque left on your teeth, highlighting areas needing a bit more attention. We recommend brushing your teeth first, then using a disclosing tablet. Check for any discolored spots. That's where you've missed. Go back and give those areas a good brush. With the help of disclosing tablets, you've quickly mastered the art of thorough brushing, ensuring a cleaner, healthier smile with your braces. To assist in maintaining the strength of your teeth and to prevent demineralization or white spots, we'll provide you with a prescription strength fluoride mouthwash. This should be used every night after your brushing and flossing routine, right before bed. Ensure to swish it thoroughly as per the instructed duration, and remember, do not rinse after, allowing the fluoride to envelop your teeth overnight. Occasionally, toothbrush bristles might get lodged in your brackets. Don't stress. Simply take a tweezer, grab the bristle, and gently pull it free. You may experience a broken or loose bracket while in treatment. Here's what to do. If it's loose, but still attached to the wire, start by softening the wax, rolling it into a small ball, then dry the bracket using a makeup pad before applying the wax directly onto it. If it's the last bracket, it might need to be removed from the wire, leaving the wire long. In this case, you can use nail cutters to clip the wire. In both situations, remember to call our office right away for a fix. Poor oral care can lead to decalcification, which causes permanent white spots on your teeth. We're here to guide and teach, but the daily practice is in your hands. Healthy and straight teeth are our mutual goal. Now let's talk about some foods to avoid. Hard and crunchy foods can apply enough force when biting down to break the bond of the glue and dislodge a bracket. This could be something obvious, like biting on a hard carrot with the front tooth, or not so obvious, like eating day-old pizza crust. Also, steer clear of sticky foods like Starburst or caramel nutty candy bars, as they can also damage your braces. Once your braces are on, the wires immediately start to move your teeth. This movement through the bone causes inflammation, which in turn causes soreness. The amount of soreness varies from patient to patient, but will generally last about 3 to 5 days. To manage this, our recommendation is to take ibuprofen as directed by your physician, or acetaminophen if you're not able to take ibuprofen. Taking this medication preventatively will help decrease the amount of inflammation and initial soreness, so be proactive. We understand that's a lot to take in at once, and we certainly don't expect you to remember it all in one go, which is why we're handing you these 2 comprehensive pamphlets. They detail everything we've just discussed, from brushing and flossing techniques to the foods you'll want to avoid. You'll find the key information, handy tips, and guidelines right at your fingertips whenever you need them. And remember, you can revisit all of this information anytime by watching our video. Together with proper care and diligence, we'll ensure that your journey with braces leads to a radiant and healthy smile. Remember, our team is here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us.